Good day from Universal Studios Hollywood. We're here in City Walk starting because Toothsome is coming. So excited about this. They're getting rid of the old Hard Rock. They've already started. They got the construction walls up. We're just here to have a fun day at Universal. Haven't been in a while, so let's check it out. I must say Hard Rock was nice, but I'm definitely not going to miss it knowing that Toothsome is going to be replacing it. My favorite place in City Walk in Orlando, I'm sure it'll be the best one here. So It's Sugar is completely closed now. They're redoing the entire building. You'll see Kong is breaking his arm in there. Really redoing it because it was awkward. They had these out front for the longest time. I feel like they're just copying Orlando City Walk at this point because Tony Romas is gone to bring NBC Grill Brew. We'll head over to Ludo Bird, eat something real quick, and then get in the park. Quick stop in Ludo Bird, which I believe has the best chicken ever. At least the best chicken sandwich. But these are the popcorn bites with the spicy ones. You got the powder everywhere. We got some special sauce with it too. We're excited. I have a feeling it's going to be busy. The backside of Scooby and Shaggy. And front side of the Scooby Gang. Now, I know it's been a while since I've been here because this whole Secret Life of Pets facade is complete. Amazing that they did this that quick because even the last times I was here, it was just all like rebar and scrim. You couldn't see any of this behind it. Very cool. Now, I haven't seen the movies to kind of know the accuracy here, but it does look very good. You can even see in that window, there's like a painting of a dog. Walking along, it looks like there's still some work needs to be done up here. And I'm pretty sure these are not going to say, no, no. That one's really no. Huh. You can actually see some of the metal structuring there right above that door where they haven't put a sign on yet. Here it is from the front. I like how they make it kind of like three separate buildings. You have this main one here, which is going to be your entrance to the ride. And then you have another building over here on the side. Walking towards Super Silly Funland, this is normally always closed, at least ever since I've been coming. I know they do horror night stuff and other things, but let's take a look back here. This is surprising. Neat. It's a nice little area. We've got like mime stilt walkers out. Uh-oh. They see the camera. Very small. They were making fun of the tiny camera. I've never seen stilt walkers there though.
Yeah.
Kind of cool. I would like to point out you have a really good little coffee / bakery here. Never a line. There's nobody in there right now, and it's awesome. It's definitely better than Starbucks.
When I grow up, I want to be a caterpillar or a principal.
That's what he says, right?
I think so. I'm in danger.
What's your favorite Ralphie line? Favorite Ralphie quote?
Oh, Ralphie quote. I'm a baby bird.
Gotta love it. My personal friend Sideshow Bob is out today, getting lots of love because it is, in fact, quite busy out here today. Wonder if he remembers me. We're gonna do a studio tour, see what's going on with the construction back there near the supposed Nintendo World. Everyone keeps assuming that's what it is. I still don't know if there's an official announcement, but whatever that is, we'll see what's going on with it. The tram tour used to last longer. The sign says 60 to 70 minutes. Though now they advertise 45 to an hour. So over the years, did they cut parts out to make it shorter? I'm over on the left here, so it might be difficult to see.
So much easier for the cast, the crew.
Started building here.
On the left, you can see where they're actually building a brand new set inside of these sound stages.
What's amazing to me is Forbidden Journey's 100 minutes. Jurassic World's 80. 100 minutes. I wonder if the single riders will walk on though, because it always is. What's really cool about Hogwarts, specifically the castle, is there's the greenhouse area of the queue, but like the whole ride itself is elevated. It's all raised up because it's on the side of a mountain and they had to do that. We were gonna stop into the Three Broomsticks for some sticky toffee pudding, but the line is out front. I've never seen this ever, here or Hollywood or Orlando. This is amazing. We walked by and noticed the music increase. This is a speaker. If you look close enough, you may see little dotted holes. That is very, very interesting. Because we walked by and heard the music increase. Yeah, right there. You could barely, I don't even see holes on this one. That is really cool. Now, we couldn't see much from the tram tour, but we could see a ton here. And since I've been here, they have done a lot. What's really cool, though, is now that they essentially have that first building done, they're building something on the top of it, almost like a, I don't even know what's going to be in there. And then the lot next to it, they're building another building. There's still the chance it could be a soundstage. Probably not, though, with the way the beams are coming inward. That pose, though. Here's another look by Transformers at the mystery buildings. Kind of funny, though, to see the queue all the way outside for Transformers. They have some new things in the store. You can get a signed version of the Part 2 hat. Little much for Michael J. Fox signature on that hat. This is new, though. Not a bad price for it either, considering the size. I mean, that's my hand next to it. Styracosaur.
Ed Butters.
They now have what appears to be Spirit jerseys. Jurassic World on the back. That's kind of cute. Yeah, cool dino sculptures. That's why I like to come in here.
Oh, wow.
Hello. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. So it's 2 sets. This is huge. Put your hand, Sarah, put your hand up next to that. That is so cool.
I love the terror on her faces.
Oh yeah, and you can, that is amazing. I've seen these online on Sideshow, and until you see it in person, this is just incredible. They've also got a T-Rex head in that same style for $450. The Jeff Goldblum love is real here. They got a signed Jeep, signed statue, and of course, that scene from the movie with a claw. I like the Barbasol can hiding in the bush. I think it's funny that it's February 2020 and they still have grand opening shirts for the ride. I remember being here the day for soft opening. It was awesome. They got a hoverboard back. This one's only signed by Michael J. Fox. It is $775. The ones they used to have were the entire cast of the movie. Well, not the whole cast, but the main cast. And that one was $1,500 when they had that. So his signature is worth a lot. What you looking for? Oh, you trying to find it in your side?
They don't have it small, so I'm not going to get it today.
You know, they don't have your size? It's small, really?
That's a large.
That's a extra large. Cool shirt, though. They've got this time machine, which is new. Lights up. Very cool. And that is running for $33. Now, since it is a Jada car, I'm sure you can get it less in other places. It's still nice that they have it. Whole bunch of new Back to the Future merchandise. You got Air Mags, and they're signed by Michael J. Fox, 1100. Pictures, hats, cars. They even have just a straight up DeLorean. That one's $750, signed by Michael J. Fox. Wow, that one's $1,500. It just says cast autograph. And then you got your Ghostbuster stuff down here. I like this one. Look at the Slimer statue. Very cool. It's funny, they did this in Florida. They had a Sigourney Weaver Ecto-1, but they don't have all the stuff on it. They probably, I'm sure they give it to you if you buy it. I must say, they got a lot of really cool restocked Back to the Future merchandise. They must have had some signing recently because it's all Michael J. Fox. There's multiples of them, but there's still 2 more stores that have movie memorabilia, so we'll check those out also. I feel like I don't see Donkey out on his own very often. High five? High five? Oh yeah. It's kind of funny because I just mentioned how Donkey's never really alone. Maybe they're going to join him. Hello, good day. So we got Marilyn Monroe right there. We passed King Julian, you said his name was?
Yeah. And there's Beetle Guys.
There's Beetlejuice. And the Scooby Gang just walked by. They're over there. We passed Shrek and all of them, so all of the characters are out. I don't see Frankenstein or the other monsters, though. Speak of the devil.
Well, close to. That's my boss.
Yeah. We've got all the characters out. How old are you, by the way? Is that rude to ask?
643.
When's your birthday?
Birthday is March. I'm gonna tell you my
Next
birthday.
month?
Even if, no, I don't tell you.
Well, I was going to get you a gift,
And it's
but
always how you look at me. Birthday is when I was born as a mortal is different than birthday when I became vampire.
well, I can't get you a gift if I don't know when you're.
Well, just speaking to you is enough of a present for me.
Thank you. Wait, good luck. Get in the shade. Hello. Oh, yeah. Oh. Think he likes me. Sarah loves dragons, like, a lot. Oh, yeah. Wonder how they got that in here. Probably looks like one solid piece. Very cool. Oh, and now Frankenstein's out. We really are seeing every character just walking out front. Oh, and then you also have Curious George. In the Universal Studios store, we're seeing this huge T-Rex. But I'm thinking it's the same one that goes on the truck stand, because he even has his foot up, as if he was crushing the Explorer. So I guess just the T-Rex is $12.75. Well, that's not a good deal, because for $1,500 you get the one that's crushing the truck with the kids and stuff. Anything cool or amazing? Yeah, Biff. No other Back to the Future.
Look at the breaking, eating himself.
The baby raptors.
Hey.
Some Ghostbuster stuff here. There's one more store to check, though. I'm a huge fan of these Metal Earth things, and you'll see they have Harry Potter ones, but that's just generic Harry Potter. But they do have special Wizarding World ones, which means you only get them at Universal. And the cover is not doing it justice, but show the back. That is awesome. That would be so much fun to make. This one is $30 though, so it is a little more than your typical Metal Earth, but wow, that's cool. I wasn't counting this as an area of collectible movie memorabilia, but they do have some cool new things in here. Check out the Basilisk. They got Tom Riddle's diary. These bookends here. I guess going top down, we got full cast DeLorean. You got a Mr. Fusion. That one's not signed or anything. You've got a Chucky doll, which is, I mean, I feel like that's bigger than actual size. Maybe. Jurassic things. Oh, I got an Allspark. This Bumblebee is really cool. This glare is terrible right now, though. You got another one of these T-Rex skulls, and another blue. Look at the baby blue. Do you get the baby blue if you get the big one? Back where we started. That's gonna do it today from Universal. Really busy. We only rode, what, 2 things?
2 things, but hey, do expect it on a holiday weekend.
We got to see a lot of characters, especially all at once. Like, all of those characters came out at essentially the same time. And lots of cool merchandise. Back to the Future stuff particularly. Excited for the new ride and for them to announce whatever the Nintendo World thing is going to be on the lower lot. But that is going to do it. Thank you all for watching. The caravan is moving on.